Welcome fellas up to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how to get started with the Microsoft Copilot and how to use this specific element. So it's a low-code platform that lets you build, deploy, and manage conversational AI agents. Today we're going to be walk you through the most powerful starting point, creating an agent that answers questions using your own website or even the company documents. So you'll need to access the Copilot Studio, which often involves a trial or a paid version, so make sure you are signed in. So from the Copilot Studio homepage, you can look out for the option to create a new agent or create a new Copilot. You can enter your email in order to go for the trial mode. You have the link down below in the description so you can try out the Microsoft Copilot Studio. And actually really going to be really easy element. And of course going to be having a few security questions in order for continuing creating your actual account for the actual element. So enter your work address so we can connect you with the others in your company, and don't worry, we won't be sharing your address with anyone. So you must need to have a work email address in order for continuing with the actual Copilot. So directly here into the Copilot, what you can do now is to be asked to provide a name. Let's call ours HR policy helper, for example. So what you can do is to enter a brief description of what you wanted the agent to do, and you can be a little bit more specific. So directly here into the actual studio, what you can do is to have an agent to answer employee questions about company benefits, vacation policies, and internal HR procedures based into the corporate website, and you click into the create. What you can actually do directly here into the Copilot is that you needed to give your agent knowledge. So head over to the knowledge section that you can be seeing directly here inside the agent's elements, so you can give them more knowledge. Basically here, what you wanted to do is to start and point it to a public URL. For example, if your company's general policies are on a public help page, you paste that URL there, and all the information provided by the company will be, of course, appearing into that PDF, for example. Now you have, for example, the explore the agent tools like the website Q&A, for example, instantly answers user questions using the content of your website or the knowledge. There are some financial insights. There is the leave the management, streamline the time and process of your employees without AI assistance. There's the team navigation, the wellness checker, the award recognition even, and there's more learning resources. Now, more commonly, you want to use internal documents. You can use the upload documents option to upload PDFs, Word files, or other corporate resources. The agent will be using the information into the files to generate some answers. So with all of this information, just remember that the quality of the agent's answer is only as good as the documents that you have provided. So it's going to be really important to check out exactly the right information that you have sent it directly through the Copilot Studio. Now lastly, what you wanted to do is just to test and redefine those elements. For example, every agent comes with a test pane where you can try out immediately. So ask a test question. For example, what is the policy for requesting paid time off, for example? So the agent uses the knowledge sources to provide to generate a conversational precise answers. If the tone is too formal, for example, you can go back to your settings and add instructions like the agent helpful and concise. Try to be friendly. Test again to see the immediate changes. So for more complex structured conversations like the guiding structures through a process, you can dive into the topic editors, which is a visual flow builder. So once you're happy with your new Copilot Studio, it's time to publish it. You can navigate directly to the publish or the channel section, and the Copilot Studio supports many channels. You can embed it directly to your website, deploy it as an internal bot into Microsoft Teams, or even extend the Microsoft 365 Copilot, right? So just click into Publish and you'll custom an AI agent. You will be live and ready to help the users. This is, for example, just a high-level overview of how to build and deploy your first custom agent using Microsoft Copilot Studio. And yes, you can adding more than just topic, more than just processing agent, payment specialized, acting as an actual vendor, and even you can, every time you test your agent, you can help him support yourself and, let's say, getting to know more knowledge and know a little bit more about what kind of people are asking some kind of questions. And directly here into the agent, you have more information about that element. So guys, It's an incredible, accessible way to bring powerful generative AI into your business processes. So with this being said, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You want to see more great tools how you can use the Microsoft Copilot Studio. You have the link down below in the description to try this out for free for the next 7 days. Remember that you must have an actual work email in order to continue. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully we can see you guys next time.